Good afternoon everyone. I am Shrikant from Posture MCOM. Today discuss about topic is sources of operational risk. Before going to discuss about the sources of operational risk, firstly they have several questions will be arises. We would ask before the explanation. First one, what is risk? What is the operational risk? When should the report operational risk? And then what are the sources of operational risk? First, we discuss about the meaning of risk and operational risk. We, First, we discuss about meaning of risk. Risk is a financial term. If any of the person invested and he is getting less returns when compared to the actually what he has expected, then it is called risk. For example, if a person has purchased 1000 shares at rupees 10 per each in order to earn a profit, but because of some crisis, the share price will be decreases and the person is not getting the amount what he has invested. That type of loss is called as risk. Next, we will discuss about the meaning of operational risk. I have generally told the meaning of operational risk is operational risk means faced by the problems for day-to-day business activities related to the organization is called as risk or operational risk. Now, operational risk is defined as which are directly or indirectly loss resulting from inadequate or failed internal process, people and systems or resulting from external force. It is a very broad concept which can focus on the risk arises from the people, system and process through which a company operates. For example, a service, a customer service company. A customer service company provides information to the customers. One day, a customer service process breaks down due to a lack of training. A number of customers who were entitled to refunds according to local regulations are mistakenly told they do not qualify. The customers complained to regulators who launched an investigation of the company. That time, the company faced fines and negative publicity. This is one of the example of operational risk. Next, we have discussed about the sources of operational risk. Sources of operational risk includes people risk, process risk, system risk and external risk. Now, we have discussed all these risks or sources individually. First, we will discuss people risk. People risk includes the employees and also sometimes includes the contractors, vendors and clients. And these things we can do with people risk is to enhance the organization and human resources. And then discuss about the examples of people risk or problems of the people risk. First one, High absenteeism. High absenteeism could reduce the cost productivity and increasing the cost. This is definitely cause negative effect on the organization. And then discrimination. Discrimination that can discourage people from positive working, and the organization may suffer the loss some good employees. Next, unethical behaviors. Unethical behavior occurs, it may include the fraud, corruption, theft. This kind of behaviors could result in large amount loss of money and adversely affects the company's reputation. Next one is skill shortage. Skill shortage and accidents lending long-term abilities support. It could be seen in companies which could have similar effects that reduce the productivity and impact of the financial growth of the company. Next factor we'll discuss is process risk or process factor. Process risk refers to the potential loss during the business process. It is considered to happen in day-to-day operations of a business. For example, information technology risk. Information technology risk is the technology errors or security indicates that interrupts the processes. Next example of the process risk is workplace safety. Workplace safety also could happen during the process, which could treat on human health and safety, such as physical accidents and unaccepted injuries. Next one is mechanical failure. Mechanical failure is an equipment, it is out of order that could disrupt the process of manufacturing and supply chain resources. And next one is human error. Human error could be considered as well as result in loss of quality of an avoid even failed process, like executing at a wrong quantities or price that could represent a significant loss. Next one is process quality. It is the last one. Process plans should be considered or designed by taking the process quality into account, as low quality process cannot be addressed to changing the business environment. These are the problems will be faced in the process risk or process factors. We will next discuss about the factor is or risk. System risk. System risk is always associated with technology equipment, both hardware and software. The examples of the system risk are problems of the system risk is intentional acts. Intentional acts as a damage to the system. Next one, accidental system failures. Accidental system failures like hardware and software problems or telecommunications problems could cause negative effect on the operations. Some of the hardware and software problems is computer is slow, internet is slow, PC blue screen of depth, unusual noise, etc. And then some of the telecommunication problems is high telecom costs, poor customer services, selecting and changing telecom services plans, targeting, managing current and unused phone lines, etc. These are the examples of or problems of telecommunication. Another example or problem of system factors is security risk. Security risk is that something like cyber attack to corrupt the data or erase the data, and these are the problems will be affected on the system risk. Next we will discuss another factor, and last factor is external event factors. Let me discuss external risk or external event factors. External risk is the risk of loss arises due to damage of physical property or assets from the natural or non-natural causes. In this represented by the actions of external parties such as natural disasters, earthquakes, fires, terrorism and floods, and also loss of key suppliers, utility failures, and changes in regulation policies, etc. These are problems will be faced by the external risk factors or external event factors. Then we have completed to discuss about the sources of risk, and I have give a general knowledge question related to this topic. That question is, which of the following is not an example of an operational risk arising from an external event? Poor training, hacking from other companies, tornadoes, regulatory changes. In this question, answer, comment on this video on YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. The presentation will be end.